Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Vivoactive 5 and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this watch. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by tapping on the screen or by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, go to the screen you want to capture as a screenshot. So for example, let's open the watch face menu. And now, to take a screenshot, press and hold the both buttons, the upper and lower buttons. Keep holding them until you see this message. Screenshot is saved and the folder on the watch. And you can take as many as you want. And once you're done and you want to access the screenshots on your watch, you will need to plug it to a computer. And once you plug it to the computer, you can open the watch folder and there should be a folder called screenshots on it. And in the folder called screenshots, you will see your screenshots. Okay, and that's how you take a screenshot on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.